especially on toast.
And the pickles were great, too.
Tomorrow we'll have rice and fish for lunch.
I can't wait.
I'm calling the waiter.
What's the matter?
This steak has too much fat.
What do you want the waiter to do?
Bring me a better steak.
I wouldn't do that.
Why not?
They will drop the new steak on the floor, step on it, and then spit on it.
You're crazy.
Then the waiter will give you a big smile as he brings you the new steak.
Where do you get these crazy ideas?
I used to cook in a restaurant.
Let's leave.
But we just got here.
Did you see the waiter's hands?
Number.
He had dirty fingernails.
Really?
His nails were black.
That's disgusting.
And he poured water into our glasses.
Yuck. No water for me.
I wonder if the cook's nails are dirty, too.
Who cares? Let's get out of here.
This hot bread is delicious.
I like this restaurant because they give you free bread.
Well, I think we are paying for it.
Number. Look at the bill when we get it. There's no charge for the bread.
It is delicious, especially with butter.
I think we should just leave after we fill up on the bread.
They probably wouldn't like that.
I'm eating so much bread that I'm getting full.
Then stop eating the bread.
Okay, just one more piece. Pass the butter, please.
If I owned a restaurant, I would never serve hot bread before the main course.
That's terrible. I would never go to your restaurant.
Is this a clean restaurant?
Well, the tables and chairs look okay.
Okay, let's sit down.
Check out the silverware.
It passes inspection.
Here comes the waiter. See if his hands and nails are clean.
Well, the waiter looked clean, so I guess it's okay to eat here.
You're forgetting about the bathroom.
I'm going to just hope that the bathroom is clean.
You're not going to examine it before we order dinner?
No, I'd rather not find out that it's dirty, because I'm pretty hungry right now.
Me, too. Let's forget about germs and focus on food.
Have you seen our waiter?
Here he comes now.
We've been sitting here for almost 10 minutes.
Oops. I guess I was wrong. That isn't our waiter.
We can give him 5 more minutes, and then leave.
I'll go up front and talk to the manager.
That's a good idea.
Maybe they'll give us free drinks for waiting so long.
Maybe he'll send us a waiter immediately.
Every time we eat out, it's an adventure.
Last time, we got seats next to the kitchen.
We'll never go there again.
I don't believe the art world.
What is it this time?
An Andy Warhol drawing.
He's a famous artist.
He drew 2 butterflies and a flower on a napkin in a restaurant.
Did he sign it?
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
It's just black ink on a white napkin. And the napkin has food stains.
So it's not worth much?
Only about $30,000.
Without the food stains, it would probably be worth more.
Can we go to the baseball game?
Of course.
I love baseball.
So do I.
I love to eat the peanuts.
I love to eat the hot dogs.
I hope we'll see a home run.
I hope we'll catch a foul ball.
Bring a jacket.
Yes. It gets a little cool at night.
Bring a glove to catch a foul ball.
Number. I'll just use my cap to catch a foul ball.
Golf is a silly game.
It certainly is.
You hit a white ball.
And then you chase it.
And then you hit it again.
Finally, you put the ball into a hole in the ground.
You do this 18 times, because there are 18 holes.
What's the point?
How can it be fun?
They pay money to play this silly game.
I think golfers have a mental problem.
I think they're nuts.
Do you want to go fishing?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Where do you want to go?
We can go to the river.
Or we can go to the lake.
Or we can go to the ocean.
Let's go to the lake.
Yes. The lake is only 10 miles away.
We can be there in 20 minutes.
I'll get our fishing rods.
I'll get the bait.
We'll have fresh fish for dinner.
Baseball is fun.
I like to hit the ball.
I like to run around the bases.
I like to slide into the bases.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun to slide.
I want to be a baseball player when I grow up.
Me, too. I want to play for the Yankees.
Not me. I want to play for the Dodgers.
We have to practice every day.
I don't like practice.
Me, neither. It's boring.
But practice makes perfect.
Let's go jogging.
That's a good idea.
I bought some new shoes.
Are they comfortable?
They're very comfortable.
How much were they?
They were on sale for $80.
Do they help you run faster?
No, but my feet don't hurt anymore.
Then they're worth every penny.
You might want to buy a pair.
I'll wait until I wear this pair out.
Tiger is the greatest golfer in the world.
You can say that again.
But I'm worried about Tiger.
Why is that?
Because he likes to scuba dive.
What's wrong with that?
It can be dangerous.
You mean he could drown?
He shouldn't scuba dive until he retires.
But he dives to relax.
He might relax, but it makes me nervous.
If his wife doesn't mind, you shouldn't mind.
Did you watch that golf tournament?
The one that Tiger won?
How did he do it?
It was nothing for him.
He sank a 20-foot putt on the last hole to win by 1 stroke.
He sank a 25-footer last year at the same tournament to win by 1 stroke.
I think he is from outer space.
No human could possibly play golf that well.
Whenever he needs a shot to win a tournament, he makes that shot.
No human can do that.
Somebody should check his birth record.
I bet it says he was born on Mars.
Who's the greatest baseball player?
There are so many great players.
Yes, but who is the greatest?
I'd have to say Babe Ruth.
Most people would say that.
He changed the game.
Yes, he made the home run popular.
Everybody loved him, all over the nation.
He helped make the Yankees the best team ever.
And Ruth was a good person, too.
He always visited hospitals to cheer up sick kids.
There will never be another Babe.
Did you hear what happened at the baseball game?
No, please tell me.
Someone punched out someone.
That's not nice.
It's worse than that.
How so?
Two guys got into an argument.
I'll bet they were drinking.
A third guy punched one of the two guys.
I'll bet he was drinking, too.
The victim hit his head on the concrete steps and died.
That's terrible. Can't people just have fun at a baseball game?
I want to go to the ball game.
Is there a game tonight?
Yes, it starts at 7 p.m.
Can we get tickets?
Yes, but only the cheap tickets.
How much are they?
They are only $5 each.
That's a good price.
Yes, it's cheaper than a hot dog or a beer.
Where are the seats?
They're behind the outfield.
Maybe we can catch a home run ball.
Golf is so hard.
What's so hard about hitting a little white ball?
It's hard if you want to do it right.
You mean like Tiger?